Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at MEX Exchange. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. MEX Exchange is an ASIC-regulated ECN broker for Forex and CFD trading that was founded in 2012 and is based in Australia. With MEX Exchange, you will have a dedicated account manager supporting you and personalizing your trading experience with competitive trading conditions, premium trading tools, and flexible account types at your disposal. MEX Exchange offers a wide range of Forex pairs, metals and CFDs, and their spreads start as low as 0 pips. By trading with MEX Exchange, not only will you be able to use Fix API and the MetaTrader 4 platform as well as its tools, but you will also have access to plenty of trading resources, Autochartist, trading signals, and much more. MEX Exchange offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find any information you would like to know about the accounts they offer, the platforms and tools you can use, the resources they provide, and the company's history by choosing an option from the menu bar at the top of the homepage. As you scroll down the page, you will see information about their account features and trading conditions, with highlights of the perks you will get as a client. There are also some client reviews and updated market analysis reports further down the page. And if you scroll all the way down, you will find listed menus at the bottom of the page that you can use to easily navigate to other sections of the website. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with MEX Exchange, simply hover your cursor over the Products tab and choose the Trading Instruments option. With MEX Exchange, you can trade a variety of Forex pairs, metals and CFDs. There are currently more than 36 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, and Forex trading can be leveraged by up to 30 times. If you are interested in trading equities and commodities, there are plenty of CFDs you can trade with no exchange fees charged. You can contact the MEX Exchange customer support team via email, live chat, or telephonically, and there is a toll-free number that you can call. You can also submit a web ticket directly from the website and request a callback. To view their contact details, head over to the About Us section of the website and click on Contact Us. MEX Exchange's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005 by MetaQuotes software. It offers a variety of advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and much more. MetaTrader 4 can also be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. In addition to MetaTrader 4's tools, you will also have access to the MetaTrader Next Generation tools if you open a MEX Live or Demo trading account. Some of the MetaTrader Next Gen tools include an Alarm Manager, a Market Manager, a Mini Terminal, Stealth Orders, a Tick Chart Trader, a Trade Terminal, and more. Not only will you be able to use a wide range of premium trading tools with your MEX accounts, but you can also use the MEX Fix API protocol to automate your strategies and to protect your privacy. Another benefit of trading with MEX Exchange is that you will be able to use Autochartist, which is a powerful system for scanning markets that also offers automated technical analysis, performance statistics, volatility analysis, and customizable trading alerts. MEX Exchange is also an excellent option for copy trading and social trading, because you can use the DupliTrade automated mirroring system to follow and duplicate the trades of your favorite signal providers. There are two types of accounts you can open with MEX Exchange, and they also give new clients the option of opening a demo account. Both live accounts are MetaTrader 4 accounts, and they require no minimum deposit. A maximum leverage of 1 to 30 is allowed when using either the Classic account or the ECN account, and these accounts are mostly similar except for the commission structures and spreads they offer. The first type of account you can open is the Classic account, and this is a commission-free account that offers spreads starting from 0.5 pips. The other account is an ECN account that charges low commission fees for ultra-low spreads starting at 0 pips. Regardless of the account you choose, you can enjoy super tight spreads and low latency on both accounts. You can also open a demo account, which is recommended for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. This account type is also suitable for existing clients who are interested in trying new tools and testing their strategies. Creating an account with MEX Exchange may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the MEX Exchange homepage, and then click on the Live Account button. Complete the online application form, verify your account and email address, and then you can log into the client portal. Once your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to fund your account once it is approved, and then you can start trading. The demo account creation process is simple as well. You will simply receive your login details via email. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platform, MEX Exchange provides a variety of video tutorials that you can browse through, or you can find a plethora of educational content and resources online and on the MetaTrader official website to help you get a grasp of the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. With regards to educational resources and research material, once you have familiarized yourself with all the tools available to you, we recommend exploring all the other resources provided. There is an in-depth economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events, and you can visit the MEX blog and market analysis section for more insightful articles. If you've never used the MetaTrader 4 platform before, as mentioned earlier, video tutorials and user manuals are also provided to help you learn the basics, and if it is your first time ever trading, then you can also visit the Lepus proprietary trading educational section to learn about forex trading, economic indicators, managing trades, risks and capital, using leverage, as well as everything else you would need to know about trading. Overall, MEX Exchange is one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly Australian brokers, and we recommend trading with them if you are trading for the first time, if you are a professional looking for competitive trading conditions, or if you are interested in copy trading and social trading. They offer plenty of high-quality resources and premium trading tools that you can use to automate your trades, research and scan the markets, and to develop and deploy your trading strategies. If you are interested, Be sure to open your MEX account today to get a head start on your trading career and navigate the markets with confidence. And that is our overview of MEX Exchange. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.